In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create YouTube intros in Canva. If you're starting a new channel or refreshing your brand, a polished intro can make your videos feel much more professional right away. The good news is that you do not need advanced editing software to make one. Canva gives you a simple timeline-based editor that works really well for short intro sequences, especially when you keep things clean, clear, and visually balanced. To begin, go to the Canva homepage and create a new design. In the search bar, type YouTube intro, then choose the standard YouTube intro format in 16 by 9 at 1920 by 1080 pixels. This part matters because YouTube videos are designed for widescreen viewing, and starting with the correct size helps you avoid black bars, stretching, or blurry text later on. Once your blank video project opens, the next thing to do is turn on the viewing guides that help keep your content safely inside the frame. At the top of the screen, open the File menu, go into View Settings, and enable both Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. You should now see boundary lines on the canvas. These guides are helpful because they show you where to keep important text and graphics so they stay visible across different screens and devices. After that, move to the left sidebar and open the Design or Templates section. In the search field, type a phrase that matches your niche or style. For example, you might search for something clean, modern, business-focused, gaming-themed, or travel-inspired. Browse through the intro templates and choose one that feels aligned with your channel identity. When you click on a template, it will be added to your video timeline so you can start customizing it. Now it's time to update the text and strengthen the visual hierarchy. Click into the main headline area of the template, highlight the placeholder text, and replace it with your channel name. Try to keep it short and easy to read. A strong intro usually works best when the title is bold, high contrast, and instantly recognizable. From the toolbar at the top, you can change the font to something more impactful, such as a clean, bold style. Then click Animate and apply a motion effect like typewriter, stomp, or breathe, depending on the mood you want. Between timeline pages, you can also click the plus icon to add a transition like dissolve or match and move for a smoother flow. Before exporting, play the intro all the way through and check that everything is centered, readable, and moving smoothly within the safe margins. When you're happy with it, click Share, then Download, choose MP4 video, set the quality to the highest available resolution, and download your final intro. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next